Do you want to know how you can log into your Planet Home lending account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Planet Home lending account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and open Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Planet Home lending login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. Now what you need to do is click on account login. After you click on account login, it will lead you to this login portal where you can see there is username and password. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, and then click I agree to the user terms and privacy policy. After this, click login and then you can successfully log in to your Planet Home lending account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime and you can click remember my username. If you don't have an account yet, click for register your account and you can create yourself a Planet Home lending account. In case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to go through. I hope this video about how you can log into your Planet Home lending account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.